the complete guide to the differences between landing pages and websites. So there's many small businesses and they don't know, do I want a landing page, do I want a website, what the heck do I need? So in this video I'm going to explain it all to you. I'm going to tell you the differences and I'm going to let you know what you need, and I think you may be surprised by the very end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do me a favor and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a new video. So what we're going to do first is we're going to define what each of these are so we can see what the differences are. So a landing page is a standalone page that serves to do one thing in particular. Maybe it's to get people to opt in or to sign up for a webinar. Maybe it's a landing page that tells people that a website is coming. That's also a landing page. There's a lot of purposes you can use a landing page, but it is not necessarily tied into a website whatsoever. Now I'll put one up on the screen. This is for a car wash. Car wash and valet were open. Request a free estimate today. Send me estimate. Okay, so this page here just does one thing. There's no navigation here, there's no menu here, there's nothing. Landing pages are specifically designed for higher conversions. They have unique design and characteristics that make it easier for users to perform the desired action. This action could be anything, like I said, email list, signing up for something, purchasing a product, filling out a form. Overall, the goal of a landing page is to minimize distractions that could take users away. So there's not going to be a lot of choices here. Okay, so here's one that's actually a website, but it also has a opt-in. But you see it says our company at the top, it has our products, it has farmers. So a website is a collection of different landing pages and sections to help your users find what they're looking for. For example, a typical business website can have an about section, a separate blog page, a contact page, pages about, services, a whole lot of different things. So there's many different types of websites too, depending on what kind of business it is. That's entirely up to you, but understand that that landing page can be one page and that's it. The website can be many pages and they can be interlinked. And on a website, not all the pages in there are going to be action pages where you're trying to get somebody to do something. They aren't going to necessarily have calls to action on there. Maybe it's something that tells about your company. Maybe it's something that tells about shipping times. Maybe it's something that tells about your terms and conditions. All these pages are information that people may want, but it's not going to necessarily have a call to action on it. Now the question is, which one do you want? Which one do you want? Do you want a landing page? Do you want a website? I personally have both for different purposes, but let's say that you want to launch a product real quick, or you want to build an email list, or you want to sell some services or something like that. A landing page is going to be the way to go because you can drive traffic to it and they're going to get there and they're going to have a call to action to do a singular thing. And that's another key with a landing page. You don't want to ask them to do a bunch of different things. A website may have a page where it has some products on it, and then off to the right it may have the blog, and off to the left it may have some additional reading or some downloads. A landing page should never have any of that. A landing page should be one call to action about one particular thing, and that's it. Now on the other hand, if you want to sell a bunch of products and you want to build your brand and you want to get people watching your videos or reading your blog, then of course you're going to want a website because it has all those components. It's geared towards all those components. It's a multi-use type of property that's going to have a lot of different pages to it, going in a lot of different directions, and some are related and some are not. But a landing page is a single page with just one thing. Now here is a website, but it's also a form of a landing page because it has a call to action there for people to do something. But keep in mind also that you may start with a landing page, and as your business grows, that may grow into a website. That landing page may take them to other places, and you may actually build your website around that. Now I'm going to recommend that you use Kartra to do this if you want to start with landing pages. If you're not starting directly with a website, you need a landing page to promote a product or your brand or get people to sign up for a webinar or whatever it is, use Kartra. Kartra is going to be the quickest and easiest way to do it. I will have a link below. Kartra does multiple different things. It's an email provider. It's a place where you can host courses in there. You can do e-commerce, you can do all kinds of different things, but it is a great landing page builder and I highly recommend it. Now if you click the link below for Kartra, you can actually watch a video and you can see all the things it does. In addition to that, if you're interested in it, you can get it for only $1 with my affiliate link. You can also build pages in Kartra and put those pages within your website, so they can actually be at your website but also be on a Kartra page. Simple and easy to do. You copy and paste one line of code and that puts it on your website. If you want to make a landing page, you go to something like Kartra, you sign up, you can make a page. That simple. If you want to make a website, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. You're going to need to get a domain name. You're going to need to get website hosting. You're going to figure out, you know, am I going to put this on Wix? Am I going to put it on GoDaddy? Am I going to use WordPress? Where am I going to build it? What kind of template am I going to use to build the site? So there's going to be a lot more work that's going to go into building a website, but it's for a different purpose. Like I said, I have both, because depending on what I need to do on that particular day, I will work on my website or I'll work on my landing pages. Now if you're going to do a web page, and you're probably going to do it in WordPress, that's what most people do, one of the best ways to go about it, you're going to need some hosting, and I'm going to recommend Bluehost. I will have a link below for Bluehost. You can get a discounted rate with my affiliate link, and you can also get a free domain name, so you'll want to check out Bluehost below. I'm going to say, all in all, if you are serious about running a business online, you're going to need both. Now I create landing pages in Kartra on a regular basis, and it's a page that I'm going to drive traffic to. Maybe I send an email, maybe I run an ad, but they're going to go there and they're going to perform some action. Maybe they're going to opt in, maybe they're going to buy my product or service, maybe they're going to attend a webinar because I've got a box on there where they can click and attend a webinar. But this page, this landing page, is easily built within Kartra. There's templates. I don't have to worry about designing anything, and I can also copy pages I've made and change out the product, change out the price, change out a title, do A/B test. I can do all that. However, I'm going to want to have a website too, because maybe people just want to go to my website and see everything I've got available. They want to see all my products at Survivalcave Food, all the different canned meats that we sell. They're going to want to see at jrfisher.com, you know, what courses do I have. They're going to want to watch some of my videos. That's a place where you're going to need a website. So understand, they are two different things, but I think you need them both. If you're just starting off, most certainly get Kartra, look in the description below, click the link, go watch the video, get Kartra for a trial for $1, start making landing pages, and then think about building that website. You can actually build a lot of pages in Kartra to where you could actually put a website there. I don't necessarily recommend doing that because that's not what it's designed for, and I think some of the other platforms, whether it be WordPress or Magento or something like that, are better for e-commerce, or Shopify or something like that would be better for e-commerce. However, I think you need both. Start off with Kartra, spend $1, get the trial, get in there, work in there a little bit, see what you think of that. You're gonna love it, by the way. You're gonna love it. It does the work of 8 different softwares. I literally got rid of 8 different softwares when I got Kartra, so it's an amazing product, and like I said, you can start off for $1 with Kartra, and then start thinking about doing that website. Start thinking about building your website, getting your information together, offering more and more products, and growing your business. Now I will link up here, I have a video on this channel where it shows you how to build a website within WordPress very quickly. So if you want to build a WordPress website, I highly recommend you do that. Don't forget to use Bluehost. There is a link below. That's my affiliate link, but it's going to give you some great discounts. I hope this helped you out. I hope you understand this a little bit better. Landing pages, once again, landing pages serve one purpose. They want them to do one thing. They want them to buy a product. They want them to sign up for a service. They want them to attend a webinar. They want them to opt in, whatever it is. They do one thing. A website, on the other hand, can do a multitude of things. It may have a navigation menu. It may have an About Us button. It may have a shipping button. It may have a terms and conditions button to where they can get more and more information. The whole purpose between a landing page is that you just want to do a singular thing, and you don't want them to be distracted. So you don't want to put a whole lot of things on there. When you're building your landing pages, remember, do not have but one call of action on there. Okay, don't have them signing up for a webinar and buying a product and downloading something else. Don't do that. Okay, that's not a landing page. That's going to be more along a web page line. So that's the differences. I hope this clears it up for you. I hope it makes it easier for you, and I know you'll get results if you follow these instructions. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so far, please hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget also to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up if you would. Please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And what else? Below there's a free course. That's right, there's a free course. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free for a limited time. No credit card required. Go grab that course. Thanks so much for watching the video. Love you very much. See you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.